Even after 65 years, dimmer switches have been a premier method for conserving energy and infusing ambiance into any space, simply by adjusting light intensity. Enerlites 57300 is a robust dimmer capable of accommodating modern LED, traditional CFL, incandescent and halogen lights. With a capacity of handling up to 600 watts of incandescent lighting or 300 watts of LED illumination, this decorative dimmer boasts an appealing on and off paddle, a sleek slider control, and a discrete LED locator light. Its design facilitates quick and straightforward installation on either single-pole or three-way circuits, thanks to back insertion terminal holes and secure terminal screws. A retrofit installation is just as easy as a new installation when you have the right tools. Here's what you need: a flathead screwdriver, a wire stripper, and a voltage meter. Caution is essential when handling live wires. For a single-pole installation, begin by turning the light switch off. Then remove the existing wall plate and switch, but leave the wires attached. Use the voltage meter to identify the hot wire and mark it with a piece of tape. Turn off the circuit breaker and use the voltage meter to confirm that the power is off. Remove the existing switch. Prepare the wires by making sure there's about ½ an inch of wire stripped off the existing wires. Install the stripped wires by inserting them into the terminal holes in the back and tightening the terminal screws. The hot wire should be installed on the hot terminal, the load wire on the load traveler terminal, and the ground wire on the GR terminal. Bend the wires as needed and push them back into the electrical box. Then secure the dimmer onto the wall box with mounting screws. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test to see if the dimmer is working properly. If necessary, remove the face cover to adjust the settings of the minimum light level and LED indicator. First, turn off the dimmer and switch the mode to S. Then, turn the dimmer on and move the sidebar to your desired minimum light level using a non-metal object. For CFL lighting, switch the mode to C, and for LED or incandescent lighting, use mode L. To adjust the LED indicator's settings, simply move the LOC switch to the position that suits your needs. Finally, install the face cover and wall plate. To learn more about our dimmer switches, visit Enerlites.com today.